Can pandas automatically read dates from a CSV file? Today I was positively surprised by the fact that while reading data from a data file, for example, pandas is able to recognize types of values. For example, it can be checked in this way. In particular, integer, floats and strings were recognized correctly. However, I have a column that has dates in the following format, the 4th of June 2013. These dates were recognized as strings, not as Python date objects. Is there a way to learn pandas to recognize dates?
You should add pars_dates equals true, or pars_dates equals column name. When reading, that's usually enough to magically parse it. But there are always weird formats which need to be defined manually. In such a case, you can also add a date parser function, which is the most flexible way possible. Suppose you have a column datetime with your string, then this way you can even combine multiple columns into a single datetime column. This merges a date and a time column into a single datetime column. You can find directives, i.e. the letters to be used for different formats, for striptime and striptime in this page.
Perhaps the pandas interface has changed since Rutger answered, but in the version I'm using, 0.15.2, the date_parser function receives a list of dates instead of a single value. In this case, his code should be updated like so. Since the original question asker said he wants dates and the dates are in the 4th of June 2013 format, the dateParse function should really be
You could use pandas.to_datetime as recommended in the documentation for pandas.read_CSV. If a column or index contains an unparsable date, the entire column or index will be returned unaltered as an object data type. For non-standard datetime parsing, use pd.to_datetime after pd.read_CSV. Demo.
When merging two columns into a single datetime column, the accepted answer generates an error, pandas version 0.20.3, since the columns are sent to the date_parser function separately. The following works.
CSV, que ya se consigue satisfecho.